final authority ultimately. So please proceed. Let us not waste the valuable time of the House Speaker, sir.
Now I put the motion to the order of the House. Those in favor will say aye.
Speaker, sir.
You cannot suspend the rules of the House. You have to put it to the vote of the House.
Yes, I am putting. I am putting to the House.
After it is.
No, I want to clarify. You are saying that we raising objection is not casting aspersion on the Speaker's office. We have every right, because he has moved a resolution, he has moved a motion, which motion we can oppose. It is our fundamental right to oppose a motion. He cannot stop us from opposing it. And we are free to speak about justification.
Nobody said that.
Why
Speaker,
we are
sir,
opposing
nobody
it?
said it.
Why we are
You are
opposing
free
it?
to move. Nobody said, and you have every right to
You are
move a
saying that
motion.
we are against the Speaker.
So
we are not casting
you
aspersion on
should
the
have
Speaker.
moved a motion or moved a notice of half-an-hour discussion instead of moving to the well. Why drama every time? Speaker,
have
sir?
given.
You
We
want
have
to
given.
create drama?
Speaker, sir.
Rules provide
Speaker, sir.
half-an-hour discussion can be there. Give a
Ignorance
notice
is
for
not
half-an-hour
bliss.
discussion. I am also quoting
Speaker,
the
sir,
rules.
we have
I am
moved
telling
a
as per
half-an-hour
the rules.
discussion on that subject.
I am putting
So,
this
moved
motion
and
to the order of the
for you to
House.
decide.
Those in favor will say aye. Those against will say no. Ayes have it, ayes have it. The motion is carried. Next item is object references. I am taking these object references. No, I am taking, should we go for lunch? Lunch? So how is the agenda up to 2:30 p.m.? After lunch? Members, there is a small request. Please don't leave the House. Please don't leave the House. Just we are soliciting